Hello, my friends. Welcome to my channel Celebrity Points. Celebrity Points today present you Robert Pattinson lifestyle and biography in this video. I hope you would like this video. Robert Pattinson is an actor, musician, model and film producer from London, England. He is known for his work in the Harry Potter film series as Cedric Diggory and the Twilight film series as Edward Cullen. He was the executive producer of the romantic drama film Remember Me 2010. Apart from acting in it, now he is so successful in his modeling that he is invited by the most important artists to participate in their shows. One of them is Karl Lagerfeld. So guys, if you love Robert Pattinson, stay tuned with us. Robert Pattinson early life. Born name Robert Douglas Thomas Pattinson. Nickname Spunk Ransom, Rob, Arpege, Ransom, Claudia. Age Robert Pattinson is currently 34 years old. Birth date May 13, 1986. Sun sign Taurus. Born place London, England. Nationality English. Religion Roman Catholicism. Robert Pattinson education. Robert Pattinson attended Tower House School until he was 12. Afterward, he got enrolled at the Harroden School in London, England. Robert Pattinson debut. As a singer, he has sung 2 songs for Twilight. First film 2004 British American costume drama film Vanity Fair was his debut film. First TV show 2005 TV documentary Harry Potter Behind the Magic was his first TV appearance. Robert Pattinson biography. Occupation model, actor, musician, film producer. Manager. He is represented by Curtis Brown Group Limited Talent Agency, London, England, United Kingdom. January hip hop pop rock soundtrack. Instrument vocals, guitar, piano. And endorsement Burberry, Gucci 2012 etc. Best known for acting as Edward Cullen in the Twilight series. Twilight was first released in 2008. Robert Pattinson body. Robert Pattinson built his body average. Height 6 feet 1/4 inch or 183.5 cm. Weight 75 kg or 165 pounds. Robert Pattinson facts. Robert's acting inspiration includes Jack Nicholson, Marlon Brando and Jean-Paul Belmondo. Pattinson had 2 pets, Petty dog till 2010 and Bear dog in 2011. One of his distinctive features is his messy hair. He began modeling at the age of 12 after getting expelled from school. In 2010, he was named as one of the most powerful celebrities in the world by Forbes. His fashion sense is inspired by the late actor James Dean. Robert Pattinson appearance. Eye color blue. Hair color light brown. Race or ethnicity white. Distinctive features: thick eyebrows, charming looks accompanied by a toned physique. Robert Pattinson girlfriend. Nikki Reed 2009. He had a fling with the American actress, screenwriter and singer-songwriter Nikki Reed. Kristen Stewart. From 2009 to 2013, she is sweetheart of Robert since 2009. Katy Perry 2012. They once in 2012 had a dinner date, and according to an onlooker. Of 2013, Robert was rumored to have had a feeling with model and actress Riley in 2013. Elaine Penny 2013. Robert was rumored to be dating American model Elaine Penny. Emma Watson 2018. In January 2018, actors Emma Watson and Robert Pattinson were rumored to be dating each other. Suki Waterhouse from 2018 to present. In October 2018, Robert was seen with model Suki Waterhouse while they were depicting Chiltern Firehouse in England. Robert Pattinson net worth. Robert Pattinson estimated net worth $100 million as of 2020. Robert Pattinson house. Robert lives in Los Angeles. Robert Pattinson family. Father Richard Pattinson, a dealer who imported vintage cars from America. Mother Clara Pattinson worked for a modeling agency. Siblings: Victoria Pattinson, older sister; Lizzie Pattinson, older sister, singer-songwriter. Robert Pattinson favorite thing. Favorite food: Dino nuggets. Favorite TV programs: Cops 1989. Favorite color: grey. Favorite restaurant: In-N-Out Burger. Favorite musician: Van Morris. Favorite actor: Jack Nicholson. Robert Pattinson car. He owns Chevrolet and others. Robert Pattinson followers. Robert Pattinson does not acting on social media.